Erie. Goldmouth Garage. I'm back with another small video for y'all. We out here working on a coupe. What we doing? We're do the same thing we did on the Corvette, but I'm gonna keep it fuel injected, but I'm putting all new lifters, rocker arms, all of this stuff. I'm replacing all of that. So this is the Cadillac, the 4100 HT. I'm doing the whole top end, everything new. I'm finna order all my parts. I got the water pumps and stuff on already. I'm over here cleaning some parts. Look at that valve job. That's the one I cleaned. Them the ones I gotta clean. Been cleaning on the valve rail, on the old lifters. Here's the intake. I got my new injectors coming to put in here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna clean that thing up real good. We got the stuff soaking in here, getting cleaned up. But I'm gonna replace those though. I don't know what I'm cleaning on the floor. I'm gonna get brand new ones, as well as the lifters. And so that's what I had in here. It had a collapsed lifter in here. The lifter had collapsed on number 1. And so, just at the top, the crank's still good. I wish I had some light to show y'all, but all that stuff still good. It didn't scar it up. It's just the top of the lifter was all the way in. The bottom of it looked good. But I've been on here cleaning this up, man. Trying to get it all ready. I had to make my own tool. Look at that. For the distributor. So I just took a wrench and bent that thing. You know what I'm saying? Goldmouth just bent that wrench and got it off. And here go the bolts right here. They come off. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a bitch to put back on here, but we gonna get it on there. That's for sure. But yeah, I did this shit myself, man. And like I told y'all, I do this. Stop playing with me. Next video, I'll be putting all new parts on here. Y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Y'all get down with the get down, you know what I'm saying? Goldmouth doing the caddy. You got all new parts going up. And y'all just stick with me, man. Tell me what y'all think. Hit that like button. Go ahead and get me up to 10,000. Let's go. Goldmouth out.